So over here you can see that I have this 3D model of some sample buildings, and you can see that I have enabled fog with certain color and shadows as well, which is a certain style that I set. But there's other default preset styles that you can go ahead and apply if you want as well. So to access those default styles, you need to go around over here onto the Windows menu and then go around over here onto default tray, and then what you can do is go around onto styles. So once you do that, you can see that this is what you have. You got the styles right here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that under ambient, you can see ambient occlusion, there's different styles. And all you need to do is click, and then you simply have different styles applied right here. So you can go for this one, or this one, or this one, and you can see that this is the style. You even get a sketch-like style, as you can see right here, just like this, which is great for presentations. So you can go around over here onto assorted styles as well, and you can see that you even get a comic book like style right here, and then you can go around over here, choose different styles as you want right here, just like this. So this is more like a sketch style, as you can see right here. So let's go for color sets, and you can see that there's different styles for color sets as well. There's default styles right here, just like this, as you can see right here. You can go around over here onto photo modeling style as well. You can even go for sketchy edge style, as you can see right here. So you get different styles of the other things, and even go ahead and you can see that there's straight lines right here, just like this. So you can see that there's different styles that you can go ahead and choose right here as needed. So let's just go around over here, and in model, if I were to go around, you can see that there's different styles which had actually been applied right here, just like this. So this is how you can go ahead and apply out different preset styles as you need inside of SketchUp to get different look and feel of your models. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.